Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing 3 quick and simple budget-friendly DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good.
For the first DIY, I started off by spray painting the wire basket with a dark brown and I just let it dry outside for 10 to 15 minutes.
To be kind.
Next up, I just went ahead and painted all 3 clay pots with some black chalk paint and let it dry for 10 minutes.
New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. But you know where to go if you follow that heart.
After that, I went ahead and cut this greenery that I got from the Dollar Tree with a wire cutter.
Go out now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life, go on now. Chase your dreams, everything, go on now. Be good, be fine. Live your life. Live your life.
Next up, I went ahead and painted this wood piece with some ivory chalk paint and let it dry for at least 10 minutes. And I also sanded it down a little bit before I added the rub-on transfers.
I'm looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven.
Since I wanted to add a little more detail to the wire basket, I added the wood piece onto this chalkboard tag and just hot glued it onto the center of the wire basket.
You want this too? Give me your attention. I'm trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. You're making me weak now. What doesn't kill you?
For the second DIY, it was super cute yet simple to make. I just went ahead and painted all 4 milk bottles with some black chalk paint and let them dry for 10 minutes. I really wanted to get the milk bottles from Dollar Tree, but I wasn't able to find any. So I just ended up getting these from Walmart, which is a pack of 6.
Making me feel like maybe you want this too.
Next step was some twine. I went ahead and added some bows on each bottle.
Give me your attention. looking at you. I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. Just give me.
For the last and final DIY, I started off by painting the frame with some ivory chalk paint and let it dry for at least 10 minutes.
Give me your attention.
I wanted to make the frame look a little de-stressed, so I went ahead and added some black chalk paint on top of the ivory as well. And once the black chalk paint was done drying, I just went ahead and sanded it down.
They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes just sent you.
Next up, I went ahead and painted the milk bottle with some black chalk paint as well. And once it was done drying, I just sanded it down a little bit.
I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant
Next up, I just added some twine on top of the bottle.
to be. You could see that we are meant to be.
With the same twine, I ended up making a medium-sized handle, and so it wouldn't come apart, I added more twine on top and also added hot glue on both sides.
About things. Some turn use into abuse, and don't stop until it's too late.
Next up, I made sure that the milk bottle was in the center of the canvas, and I just turned it around and hot glued the extra twine onto the back.
'Cause we are meant to be.
After that, I'll just be hot gluing the canvas onto the frame.
Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.
You. But if only